Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. In today's video, we'll be taking a close look at the Zalman P30 Micro-ATX Tower PC case. This sleek and stylish case is packed with features that make it an excellent choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts. Let's dive right into it. One of the standout features of the Zalman P30 is its modern aesthetic. The case boasts a frameless tempered glass front and side panel, allowing you to showcase your PC components in style. The panoramic view gives you a clear look at your hardware, making it perfect for those who love RGB lighting. The Zalman P30 comes with three 120mm addressable RGB fans pre-installed. These fans not only provide excellent cooling but also add a vibrant and customizable lighting effect to your build. You can control the RGB lighting through a 3-pin header connection, allowing you to match your setup's color scheme. This case supports both Micro-ATX and Mini-ATX motherboards, giving you flexibility in your build. Despite its compact size, the Zalman P30 offers more space than conventional Micro-ATX towers, making cable management a breeze. It even has 10 integrated rubber grommets strategically designed to conceal and organize cables effectively. When it comes to cooling, the Zalman P30 doesn't disappoint. You can install up to three 120mm or two 140mm fans on the top, two 120mm fans on the side, and one 120mm or 140mm fan on the rear. It also supports various radiator sizes for liquid cooling enthusiasts, including 120mm, 140mm, 240mm, 280mm, and 360mm radiators. This case is constructed from high-quality materials, including tempered glass, alloy steel, and plastic. It can accommodate GPUs up to 420mm in length, CPU coolers up to 173mm in height, and PSUs up to 200mm in length. With 5 PCI expansion slots, you have room for multiple graphics cards or other expansion cards. The front panel of the Zalman P30 is equipped with a USB 3.0 port and a Type-C port for high-speed data transfer. You'll also find power and HDD LED indicators, as well as microphone and headphone jacks. This case offers the connectivity you need for all your peripherals. The Zalman P30 Micro-ATX Tower PC case combines style, functionality, and cooling options. With its modern aesthetic, pre-installed ARGB fans, and spacious design, it's an excellent choice for gamers and PC builders. Whether you're a novice or experienced builder, this case offers the features and flexibility you need to create a stunning and efficient PC setup. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews.